Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, in the last class, we started decimals. Decimals. So, what is the term deci means? The term deci means? Yes, children. 10. Very good. Deci. The term, the word deci means 10. And children, for decimal numbers means what? Writing the numbers using a point, that decimal point. The system of writing numbers using a decimal point. So in decimal numbers, we have two parts, whole number part and decimal. Whole number part is also known as whole number part. It is also known as, yes, children? Whole number part, we can also say. What's that? Integral part. Very good. Integral part.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Integral is the same as the whole number. Integral part is also known as whole number. And the decimal part is the same as the fractional part. The fractional part, we will write it as the decimal part. Also, children, we learned the decimal place value chart in the last class. Decimal place value chart. We know that integral part, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, like that. And in the decimal part, which is the first place value in the decimal part, after the decimal point, which is the first place? 10th, very good, 10th. After 10th, 100th, 1000th. That TH, it's very important. TH, 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay, so children, we now going to write this fraction part using a for decimal numbers. So children, I will, fraction, because we learned fraction chapter. We know how to form fraction. Children, tell me, I'm going to, what is this?
Ma'am, we want to draw.
No need, just listen. Yes, tell me the fraction for this figure.
10 by 1. 1 by
1 by
11.
1
1
by
by 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1 by
1 by 10. Yes, children. So this is 1 by 10, or we can say 1 by 10 means 1/10. This all we learned. Yes, children. 1/10. So children, how to write this as a decimal number? So this 1 by 10, we will write it as 0.1. 0.1. So children, how we will write the proper, the numerator of the proper fraction, numerator here, 1. And look at the denominator, we have only 1 0. If we have 1 0 in the denominator, that much, after the decimal point, look, we have only one digit. After the decimal point, we have only one digit. Okay, children, if I'm taking two more parts, what is this now? What is this fraction?
3 by 10.
3 by 10. Very good. 3 by 10. So can you tell me, how can I write this in decimal form like this? Decimal
Point
0.3. Very good. 0.3. Okay. So children, we have one digit or 1 0 in the denominator. So after the decimal point, we have only one digit. One digit. Okay, children, now if I'm taking two more. What is this fraction now?
5 by 10.
5 by 10. 5 by 10. So how will I write this as a decimal? 0.5. Okay, so children, all of you please listen. Here, this all with the denominator 10. If the denominator is 10, we have 1 0 in the denominator. So after the decimal also, we have one digit. We have one digit. Now children, if I am taking with the 100, we will take 100 pieces and we will make the fraction with the denominator 100. Denominator 100. So here 100. So how many zeros here?
2.
2. So in the decimal also we should have how many? 2 digits. 2 digits. So here children, if I'm taking, please mute your audio. All of you please mute your audio. So 30 by 100. 30 by 100. So children, how will I write here? 0. Write the numerator.
0.30.
0.30. So children, 50 by 100. I got 50 marks out of 100. So how will I write? 0. Write the numerator 50. Now all of you please check here. After the decimal we have 2 digits. After the decimal we have 2 digits. Now look here. In the denominator also we have 2. So according to the number of zeros in the denominator, that much decimal places will be there. Now children, you have to tell me 3 by 100. 3 by 100. Here 2. But here we have only 1. So how can I write this? 0.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes.
0.300.
Huh?
0.3. Ma'am, I can.
Yes. Who is telling me I can?
Delna.
Yes, Delna.
0.3.
0.3 means I have only 1. But I should have 2.
100 0.
Len, look here. 30 by 100 is 0.30. So here I have only 3.
Ma'am, 0.300. 0.03.
Yes, 0.03. So children, this 3 I can write as 03. Okay, children, don't get confused here. All of you listen carefully. We have 30. 30 and 3, they are different. So 30, I can write 30. So 3, how can I write? 03. 03. See, I got 3 marks out of 100. And this other child got 30 out of 100. Is 3 and 30 are they same?
No.
No. So 3 we can write how? 03. Okay, we have to make 2 place. So we will write 03. 30 we will write normally 30. Okay. Now let me see. You can, anyone can tell me here with this 60. 6 by 100 and 60 by 100. How can I write?
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, I can. 0.06.
Very good. 0.06. So children, look here. I have 2 zeros and here also I have 2 place. So this is correct. Okay. What about the next one? 0.60.
0.60.
This is very simple because we have already 2 digits here and the denominator also we should have 2 0. In the denominator also we have 2 0. In the numerator also 2 place. So there is no need to add 0. So children, here we have 2 0 in the denominator. Here we have only 1 digit. What we have to do? We have to add 1 0 to the left side. Don't add 0 to the right side. Otherwise, then it will become 60. But we have only 6. We have only 6. So 06 is same as 06 is same as 6 only. So you have to add 0 to the left side. Is that clear? Now tell me 9 by 100. How can I write 9 by 100? Yes, children. 0.09. Very good. And 90 by 100.
0.90.
0.90.
0. We will say 90. In the last class, we learned how to read the numbers. Yes, we will split the, after the decimal point, the decimal part we will split and say that is 0.90. Okay, children, tell me then 9 by 10. Did you forget this? 0.
No, ma'am.
Ah.
0.9.
0.9. Yes, very easy. Here, one digit in the decimal. Also, we have 10. So, after the decimal point, we should have only one place. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn today. So, children, if I have one whole number, 4 and 25 by 100. So, this is a fraction, and I'm going to write this as a decimal number. So how I will do? I will write the integral part the same. Integral part or whole number part the same. After the integral part, we will put decimal point. So what? 25 by 100. How we will write 25 by 100? 0.25.
4.24. 25.
4.25.
25.
So children, this whole number we will write the same. After the whole number, this before the fractional, we will place the decimal point. Then 25 by 100, we will write the same. 25 by 100. Okay, now tell me 3 and 70 by 100. How can we write 3?
3.70.
Very good. So instead of this 0, children, instead of this 0, I am just writing 3.7 by 100. How will I write?
3.07.
Very good. 3.07. Why? Look at the denominator here. 2 digits. Here I have only 1. So what will I do? I will place 1 0 in the front. You know 7 is same as 07. But 7, 70, they are different. We cannot write after the decimal and after the number. We can just write in the front 0, 7. Okay, children. So, if this 3.07 is given, how will I write here? 0, 7. How many digits here? This is 100. So we can write 307 by 100. If the decimal is given, what we will write? We will look at the denominator. How many 0? How many decimal place? 2. So divide by 100. Then just write the numerator 307. So the fraction to decimal, what we will write? We will write the same number.
When will come 1 0, I will do.
Please, children, please wait. Please listen. I am not able to hear what you are saying. Here, 3 is the integral part. Write the same number 3. Then 70. Here also we have 2 digits. So look at the numerator. Just write the numerator. Okay, children. Now, how to write from this decimal back to fraction? We will see 3.70. Look at the decimal part. How many digits? How many digits in the decimal part? 2. So that means we are dividing by 100. We should have 2 0. We have to write 2 0. So just write the number without decimal point 370. So from the decimal, how we will write the fraction? We will look at the decimal part. How many digits? 2 digits. Divide by 2 0. That means 1 and 2 0. So children, we will practice with more examples. Here, I have 457 by 100. Can you say this in the decimal form? What is this decimal form? 4. Just the whole number. Just write and put the point. Okay. Then tell me the answer, children.
57.
57. Very good. Write only the numerator. 57. Because here we have 20. Here in the answer also we should have 2 digits. Okay. 2 digits in the. Children, please take out your math workbook. Page number 40. 40. Page number 40. Children, please turn on your camera. Mival. Abhinav, Shabari, Anay. Okay, children. Page number 40. Page number 40. Did you get? And children, tell me how many questions we have completed? How many questions completed in the last class?
9.
9 questions completed. Okay. Now question number 10. Angelo, can you read? Question number?
Ma'am.
We will do together. So children, you have to take the book fast and
Ma'am.
write with me. Yes.
Convert the fraction 4 and 557 by
100. So this is page number 40. Page number 40. Question number 10. Okay. Convert the number, which is a fraction 4 and 57 by 100 to which form? Decimal form. So how to write this here, children? Write the whole number part the same. After the whole number part, we have to place what?
Zeros.
Huh? Which point? We have to place the decimal point. Now look here, we have the fractional part. We have to write the fractional part after the decimal point. Now which we have to 2 here. So
4.57.
just write the number. Look at the numerator. 57. And here we have 2 digits. So here also 1, 2. We should have how many digits? 4.57. So children, just write the numbers. 457 by 100. What we have to do? Write the whole number. Place the decimal point. Then write the number here. The numerator 57. Because here also we have to. Same, we have to just write the numerator. Okay, question number 10. Question number 11, Binnu, can you say? Can you read question number 11?
Convert the decimal 26.4 into a fraction.
No. Question number 11.
Convert the fraction 49 by 100 into its decimal form.
49 by 100. 49 by 100. How can we write? There is no integral part. 0 point. 49. Yes, very good. 0.49. Because 49. We have how many places here? 2. And look at the denominator. How many zeros? 2. So just write 0.49. Okay. Question number 12. Aiden Joseph.
Convert the decimal.
Decimal. Which is the decimal given?
26.4.
26.04. Yes.
Into a fraction.
Okay. So children, to convert into fraction, we will look at the decimal part first. Decimal part. How many places? In the decimal part, how many decimal? 2. So divide by which number?
4 by 100.
Which 100? So we will write 100. All the children, please listen carefully. Here, after the decimal point, we have 2 places. So in the denominator also, we should have after 1, how many 0? 2 0. Now write all the numbers. Or write all the numbers in the numerator. 2604. 2604 without any decimal point. Okay. Just write the number. Divide by 100. Why we are divide by 100? Why we are writing divide by 100? Because look at the decimal part. 1, 2. We have 2 place after the decimal point. So we should have 2 zeros in the denominator. Yes, Anandakrishnan, question number 13. Can you read question number 13?
Yes, ma'am. Question number 13. Convert the fraction into decimal.
Okay, convert the fraction into decimal.
Decimal.
Question number 13. A. Which is question number 13? A.
5 by
5 and
3
3 by
by
10.
10.
Okay, so we have to write this as a decimal number. Okay, look at the whole number. Which is the whole number here? 5. After the whole number, we should place decimal point. Okay, 3 by 10. How we will write?
5.3.
Yes, 5.3. So what we have to do, children? Just write the numerator here. Just write the numerator here. In the denominator, we have 1 0. So here in the denominator, we have 1 0. So after the decimal point also we have. So the answer is 5.3. 5.3. So children, like this question, you have to see the number of digits in the denominator. Here we have only 1 0. So after the decimal point also, we should have 1 digit. 5.3 is the answer. So 5 and 3 by 10, we will write the decimal 5.3. Okay, children. Question number 13B. Algan, can you read 13 question?
13 we finish.
Yes, Algan.
3 by 100.
2 and
3
3 by 100. 3 by 100. So 2, no problem. We will just write the number. Then what we will do? Place the decimal point. Okay. Now, children, you have to be now be careful. Here we have 2. Here we have only 1. So what do you have to do?
2.03.
Very good. 03. 2.03. Why, children? Here we have to write here 2 decimal place, but here we have only 1. So this 3 we can write 03 because 3 and 03 they are same. But this 3 we cannot write 3 and 0 because 3 and 30 they are different. Okay. So you have to write the 0 in the front. So the answer is 2.03. 2.03. Okay. Now next one, Akshaj. Can you read question number 14?
I write till 14.
Okay, very good. Okay. Yes, Akshaj, 14. You can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Yes, Akshaj. Convert.
Decimals into fraction.
Fractions, yes. Page number 41, children. This is page number 41. Question number 14A. Can you read question number A? Which is A? 7.0. So children, all of you has to look at the decimal part. Decimal part, how many digits? After the decimal point, 1, 2. So in the denominator, we will write how many zeros? Here we have 2. Here we have 2. 2 zeros. Then what you have to do? Just write this number 709. 709.
709.
Okay. So we can write 709 by 100. Okay. So look at the number of digits after the decimal point. We have 2. Then look at the denominator. That much 0 we have to write. Now 14th one, B. Yes, Len, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. 7.90 and
7.90.
Zero.
Okay. So look at the.
answer is
Tell me first. Look after the decimal point. How many digits?
2 digits.
2 digits. Okay. After the decimal point here 1. Here it's 2. So in the answer, that is in the denominator,
100.
how many zeros?
100.
2 zeros.
Two.
So that is 100. So what do you have to do then? 7,
Ma'am,
9, 0.
7, 9, 0.
9,
9,
0.
0.
Just
Zero.
write the numerator as the numbers given here, 790. Now children, look at here. 709, 790. Are they same? No. Okay. So children, 09 means we have only 9 out of 100. So we will write 9 as 09. But 90 means we have 90 by 100. So after this we will write here 90. That means 790 by 100 and we have 709 by 100. Look at the denominator, it is 100. That is same. Why? Because we have here 2 digits after the decimal point. Here also we have 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay.
And time is going.
We are going to finish the time. No problem, children. Please listen carefully. Write this without any mistake. Here 2 digits. So the denominator have the same 100. Here also 2 digits. Denominator also same. Children, finish writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we
Okay.
are learning the chapter decimals. Decimals.
Decimals.
So what is the term? Deci means? The term deci means? 10. 10. Okay. Then children, in the decimal part, in the decimal number system, we have 2 parts, integral, then decimal part. And we will separate these 2 parts by a point. That point is known as decimal point. And children, we learned how to read the number and how to write the numbers in the place value chart after the decimal point, 10th, 100th, 1000th in the place value chart. And today what we learned, how to write the fraction into decimal form. So 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1, but 1 by 100, how we will write? 0.01. Okay, so that decimal into fraction and fraction into decimals. So children, try to be regular in the class, don't be absent, and revise the topics daily. I will send the notes, complete that, and okay children. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.